In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove elements from Squarespace header. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more focused look at the top of your site, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to hide the items you don't need, like extra buttons, social icons, or a search icon. We'll keep it simple, stick to the built-in tools, and make sure everything stays reversible so you can experiment with confidence. Start by heading into your site and clicking Website, then click Edit. This switches your site into editing mode so you can work directly on the live layout. You'll see blue outlines and controls appear as you move your cursor around different sections. Move your mouse over the very top area of your page, the header, until you see its controls. Then click Edit Site Header. This opens the Header Settings panel, which is where all the familiar top-of-page content is managed. Think of the header as the consistent banner across your site. Your logo, navigation, and any icons or buttons you've added will live here. Inside the header editor, look for the option labeled Add Elements. Even though it says Add, this is also where you manage what's already there. Clicking it opens a panel that lists the available header elements for your template. Things like a button, social icons, a cart, a search icon, or a secondary navigation. The exact list can vary by design, but the controls work the same way. Here, you can enable and disable elements. Each item has a simple toggle or checkbox. Turning one off doesn't delete anything permanently, it just hides that element from your visitors while you keep full control behind the scenes. That means you can turn off a search icon or a button today and bring it back later without rebuilding it. If you disable something like a social icon set, your links remain saved. You're simply removing the visual element from the header. The same idea applies to buttons or extra navigation. The pages still exist, you're just streamlining what appears up top. When you're ready, disable the elements you don't want. As you toggle, you'll see the header update immediately, so you can judge spacing and alignment on the spot. If the layout feels too tight or too empty after a change, just re-enable an element or adjust your remaining items until the balance feels right. That's all. In a few clicks, you've tailored your Squarespace header to focus on exactly what matters, and you can revisit these settings anytime to refine the look as your site evolves.